Hello, I'm Natalia.
I'm Deval.
I'm Jonathan.
I'm Josh.
And our project is to refurbish the early 1980s Comuta Car. It is an electric vehicle that initially ran on 48-volt lead-acid batteries. However, to modernize it, we plan to replace the lead-acid batteries with lithium-ion batteries, as well as all the electrical components, including the motor, with the new system from Big Red. Since we are replacing the motor, there are many components that we must replace and adjust. This includes the spline that connects the motor to the rear axle or back wheels. For this, we are still trying to figure out a way to remove the spline from the new motor so that we can attach the spline from the original motor.
One thing we did was modify our chargers to be able to meet the charging requirements of the batteries. The batteries are 48 volts, so we set the max voltage to 57.5 volts to properly charge the batteries, and the max current at 15 amps so it can charge quickly but still not draw too much current.
We also reattached the bumper by cutting new squares from sheet metal, drilling the holes to where the bolts are fitted, and welding the squares to the bumper because the previous holes did not align properly.
We are also modeling the shape of the windows via SolidWorks. Later, we are going to take this model and laser cut acrylics to get the replacement of the windows. To conclude, we plan to acquire the parts that we ordered from our shopping list. We also plan to start a bench build of all the electrical components and ensure that all the parts work before implementing it into the car.